Welcome back. Now, it's a turning point in Kolkata's RJ Kar rape and murder investigation. Over 30 days that have already been passed after this heinous crime that was reported. The CBI, meanwhile, has made two significant arrests in the case. Now, evening when it comes to the Kolkata police officer, Abhijit Mondal, he's now been arrested along with the former principal of RJ Kar Medical College and Hospital, Dr. Sandeep Ghosh. He's already been arrested on part of the alleged financial irregularities. Now, what we talk about as far as his previous arrest is concerned, this is another arrest. That means in total 3 arrests that have now taken place, but it is the police officer's arrest that has sparked both intrigue and a lot of political fireworks in West Bengal. Abhijit Mondal, who is said to be the station house officer and the officer in charge of the Tala police station, he was questioned several times by the CBI over the course of the last few days, and before being arrested, he was grilled for over 7 hours. The CBI, meanwhile, has accused him of allegedly tampering with evidence and for delaying when it comes to filing of FIR. As per CBI sources, the SHO, Abhijit Mondal, failed to provide satisfying answers to the CBI on the timeline of the events. So far, 3 people in total who are now in CBI's custody for the rape and murder of the junior doctor. Sanjoy Roy, who was previously arrested by the Kolkata police, was handed over to the CBI. CBI, meanwhile, has now arrested Dr. Sandeep Ghosh and the SHO, Abhijit Mondal, as well. Both Ghosh and Mondal, who have been now remanded to the CBI custody till the 17th of September.
We are standing outside the CGO complex here in Salt Lake, where the OC of Tala police station is being taken out now as we speak for Shialda court. And here you see some common citizens have come out here and they are protesting here against Kolkata police. They are sloganeering against Kolkata police and demanding justice. And police is trying to stop them. And on the other hand, I'll show you. On the other hand, this is the CBI taking Abhijit Mondal, the officer in charge of Tala police station, from the CBI office for Shialda court. The central forces are also accompanying the accused at this moment, and huge police forces deployed so that law and order do not arise. You can see people holding sandals in their hand, is protesting and police trying to stop them. आप लोग क्या कहना चाहते हैं? क्या कहना चाहते हैं? कि इन सबको कड़ी से कड़ी सजा हो, विनीत गोयल को निकल जाए. He is the main culprit behind this whole episode of murdering and raping this lady.
Well, see, आप लोग क्या चाहते हैं?
विनीत गोयल का बोलते हैं, मुख्यमंत्री का बोलते हैं. हम लोग विधाननगर नगर समझे. विधाननगर समझे.
Well, that is the people's anger that erupted when the accused were being taken to court from the CBI office in Kolkata. You're watching the Morning News Hour. We will be back on the other side of a very short break.
I am the future that was born 100 years ago. I am the purpose that emerged with India's independence, to be a force for business that makes doing good our business, towards an independence where knowledge sets us free, to think big and achieve bigger, towards a future made perfect, and be a force creating abundance. Because independence is not a moment in history, it's a never-ending path to prosperity. Aditya Birla Group, a force for good.